Discover the deep, bold essence of black soup, a traditional delicacy packed with rich ethnic flavors. Made from a unique blend of native herbs, spices, and tender meat, this dark aromatic broth carries a punch of umami and warmth in every sip. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosalie and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. The ingredients for today's recipe are beef, onion, pepper, crushed seasoning cubes, fresh fish, blended bitter leaf, uziza leaves and scent leaves, cow skin, salt, brown crayfish, and palm oil. All ingredients have been prepped. First of all, season the beef and cook until tender. Also, season the fish and partially cook. The essence of doing this is to enhance the fish's flavor and maintain the fish texture when it is finally put in the soup. Black soup gets its distinctive dark color from the use of various leaves, especially bitter leaves and scent leaves, which are both native to Nigeria. These leaves have unique flavors and are often praised for their health benefits. Next, pour some palm oil into the pot with the cooked meat and allow this to melt. Here are some essential tips for making black soup. 1. Properly wash the leaves. If you're using fresh bitter leaves, thoroughly wash them to reduce bitterness. Squeeze and rinse several times until the water runs clear and the leaves have lost some of their bitterness. The scent leaves and uziza leaves should be washed thoroughly before blending. Many of the ingredients used in black soup are believed to have medicinal properties. For example, bitter leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties, while scent leaves are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Alright guys, let's take a break from our cooking. Did you know that subscribing to my channel has been scientifically proven to improve your cooking skills? Okay, maybe not, but it sure won't hurt. So please hit the subscribe button because if you do, it's just like you're sprinkling some extra flavor on the channel, and trust me, it makes all the difference. Thank you guys. Next, add some ground crayfish, crushed seasoning cubes, and pepper. Traditionally, black soup is cooked slowly, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. This slow cooking technique is believed to enhance the taste and make the soup more flavorful. Carefully add the seasoned and partially cooked fish. If you're using fresh fish, partially cook the fish separately before adding it to the soup. This helps to prevent the fish from breaking apart and allows it to soak up the flavors of the soup without overcooking. Different regions of Nigeria have their own variations of black soup, incorporating local ingredients and personal preferences. For instance, some might add ground melon seeds, that is, egusi, for a thicker consistency. Blend the leaves smoothly. Blend the leaves with just a little water to get a smooth, thick paste. A properly blended mixture helps achieve that deep, dark, rich color and smooth texture that defines black soup. For best results, you can use a blender or a traditional mortar and pestle for blending. Stir in the blended vegetables and allow the soup to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking the soup, allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period helps the flavors develop even further and gives the soup a richer taste when served. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as necessary. And there you have it, guys. This dish is not just a meal. It is a celebration of heritage, a symbol of hospitality, and a source of warmth that brings family and friends together around the table. As you savor the unique taste of black soup, you're not only indulging in a delightful experience, but also embracing the rich history and vibrant stories woven into its preparation. So gather your loved ones, sharing the joy of this iconic dish, and let black soup create lasting memories that linger long after the last drop is enjoyed. Have you tried making black soup? Or do you have a favorite ingredient you love to include? Please share your thoughts and let's celebrate the joy of cooking together. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're hearing my voice for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post new content. Your support means the world to me. Bye for now, and see you in the next one.